Hello, guys and girls. Welcome to my YouTube channel. This is Johnson FX. I'm so glad to have you here. Happy New Year, everyone. So yeah, I just want to give um, a little trade breakdown on some certain pairs I have on my watch list. Right. The first one I have is GBPJPY. Yesterday I took a trade here. Yesterday, so I don't want to give a quick review on that. So yeah, it is still the normal way I enter trades, right? So firstly, I saw a break of structure here. I saw a break of structure here, and it created a liquidity around this area. So I took my trade around this place, around this area, around this inducement area, and it tagged me in and gave me 3 hour. So later on, the market came back and took all the liquidities resting below this area. So this morning, this morning after the market broke this high, the market broke this high, right? After the market broke this high, right? So I was looking forward to something like this, something I was looking forward to something like this. This is the low that broke this high. So and it also created something here, something like an inducement around this area. So this place would actually be my point of interest. This place will actually be my point of interest. I was looking forward to this place to be my point of interest, but the market came and tapped into the zone, right? It tapped into the zone around this area and continued pushing to the upside. It didn't tap the zone. But then I also took another trade. That was USDJPY. I had another trade on USDJPY. Let me show you the the idea behind this trade. Okay, so first off, let me go to the 30-minute time frame. First off, right, this yesterday this was an area of value where the market tapped into, and it came back to clear all the liquidities resting below this area. It cleared all the liquidities resting below this area. It cleared all the liquidity, then tapped into this area of value, right, and pushed to the upside. So what I was actually waiting for is for the trade to give me a break of structure, to break this structure around this area. Then I'll be looking forward to my I'll be looking forward to my entry. So after it broke this structure, so I was looking forward to it pushing to the downside to tap into, to take some liquidities and tap into and tap into my area of value, right? So after the market took after the market broke the structure, after the market broke the structure, I waited and I used this place as my extreme order block or demand area, right? So I use this place as my liquidity or inducement. So the market came to the extreme area and tapped into it, and right now it's actually pushing to the upside, and I'm still hoping for the market to break this structure, this high over here. I'm hoping for it to break this high over here, right? And if it breaks this high over here, I'll also be looking for another type of entry. Wait, let me. So now let's say something. Let's create a scenario. Let's say this market breaks. It has a low, right? And this low breaks this high impulsively with a full body close, right? And now we'll be looking for it to come back to sweep any liquidity resting below here and tap into another block or a demand area, then continue pushing to the upside. So that's what I'll be looking forward to, right? And I also saw another trade entry. Some people would have entered uh, after I entered, because I entered like at a risk entry. Some people would have waited for another obvious confirmation, right? Like this one now. So this is like a trade. Let me hide this one. Let me hide it. Yeah. So this is like a trade entry. After it broke, this is just like a market structure shift, indicating that the market is about to change structure from the bearish to a bullish, right? So it's broke this high, took this high, and now came back to this area of value. Came back to this area of value. We could take this other block, this full down close candles, right? We can use this place as our area of value for our entry, or better still, we could use the fair value gap resting below this area, right? So that's another trade entry, right? So um, I feel the market will still have room to push to the upside. I feel it will still have room to push to the upside. I'm just hoping if it will break this structure, this high over here, right? So let's see how it goes. Let's see how it goes. So I'm currently on this trade. Please do well to join my Telegram channel. I do drop all this trade I take. I do drop all this trade. Please just click the link at the description below, and you can follow some of my social page. I'm also I'm also going to drop them at the description. Just join my Telegram channel, and if you want to enroll for mentorship, you can also DM me. My private number will also be dropped. So thank you guys. Please do well to subscribe to this channel, and thank you.